Love you.
Go. Where are we going, Maya?
To Walmart.
Yeah, for what?
I don't know.
You don't know? We gotta get Ningsteen's medicine.
Ningsteen's medicine.
I think they're broken.
You didn't notice the camera was like this on the table, recording everything.
Are you recording right now?
Yes.
What? It's getting my crotch area.
No, it's not. That's in the way. I don't want to see your crotch area. Your shirt looks really oversized on you.
I got this at McCarthy's.
It looks like a shirt Paula would wear.
You lost weight again.
What?
It's either that or you lost weight.
Can I use the blue too? Can I use the blue too?
Yes. Here, you do it. I don't. Oh, never mind. You're recording.
Now they're gonna be like talking to someone who.
They're gonna think I sound.
Love you.
Nudes or something.
But are you?
No.
Okay then.
I can't say it on camera.
Why?
Because it has to do with stuff.
Okay. Oh. Don't kill her dream, Austin.
What dream?
Her bubble dream.
What's her dream about becoming a professional bubble person?
No.
See?
My life.
You're ruining my life. Did you hear that? Did you watch the one where Maya is singing and she goes, ah? She's dancing? Did you see that?
Whether Kim takes my last name or not.
You have to put that. Yeah, you're ruining it.
Between me and Kim.
People know me as Kim Kardashian. I don't think it's gonna resonate if all of a sudden it's Kim Humphrey.
Is it almost done, Maya?
Let your family make decisions for
Yeah.
How am I letting my family like?
you. You have to go
Watch
follow
this.
with
This is
them
gonna be
every
the
time
biggest bubble ever.
there's an issue. You're 30 years old. Grow up.
Oh.
How am I letting? I think Chris is just really upset, but my last name has become my business.
We're partners and like.
That's why they're coming at me. There's a fan there. Fan is on.
Right now, you can own a Tread Timer machine for $0 down and as little as $15 a month.
I was that person sitting on the couch saying, no, I can't do it, but I did.
Look, big bubble, big bubble.
83 anyone can. Hear how great you look, never gets old.
You look really tan, Mackenzie.
Call or go online to tcinfo.ca and request your free DVD and info.
Esther, if it's.
Can I see? Can I see?
Go show mommy first.
What is that?
It's powder.
Powder? It was liquid.
Oh, then I don't know. Paolo loves you, you know that, right? Austin? You know Paolo loves you, right? Do you know that? Do you know that?
I do know that.
Yeah.
Austin,
I held you when you were a baby.
You didn't.
I held you when you were a baby.
No, you didn't.
You were this small and I held you.
I was 11 when you were born.
You weren't even.
No, I was 10 when you were born.
I took a break for like 3 seconds. Can
He's
you
just
wait?
wiping his glasses, man.
Jesus, Hitler over here.
Call or go online to tcinfo.ca and request your free DVD and info kit today.
Thanks, Bowflex. Thank you, Bowflex. You rock Bowflex.
Sincerely, almost.
This double cheeseburger pizza is not that bad. It's pretty good.
Holy moly, mother of God.
Do you know Kuya and Janice ate Ikea last night?
Ate? At Ikea?
No, they ate. Oh my god.
They ate Ikea? Wow, I didn't know that you could physically eat a store. I didn't know you could physically eat a store. You know they ate Ikea last night? Oh my god.
It's like I'm forgetting what all of this is supposed to be about. Like seeing all those clothes. It's like.
Are you okay? You're like dying behind the camera.
Steve, please kiss me.
Look at mommy.
Please play.
I will. Wait. What if I kept bothering you and asked you, Maya, please sleep. Please sleep. Maya, please sleep.
But there's like moments where I'm just like,
Okay. I can't breathe.
I realized that I've been taking so many frustrations
Okay.
out on set.
So
and I've been,
Janice went to Ikea.
not really remembering what the whole purpose of this whole event is about.
Maya, please.
Your relationship is so boring. Boring. You're unpredictable. We're wild. Wild, I tell you. Just wild. Let's see. Tonight's Wednesday. You go to her house, you watch Jeopardy, then you
Put food down.
You know what Austin said? That she looks like the panda over there.
Maya, love you,
She
baby.
does.
She's gonna take a nap. No, she doesn't. I'm gonna hit you.
Look alike. Look. Maya,
Hey, you didn't say bye to me.
Look,
That's
they're
so
twins.
mean.
Look, Maya, they're twins. Look, they look alike.
Because they used to be just you and Maya. Now there's Mackenzie. So I kissed Mackenzie and Maya, then I forgot about you.
That's so mean.
And Mackenzie.
No.
That's so mean.
It looks like Mackenzie. Look, 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 look. They look so much alike. It's so funny. Look. Look.
No, you don't.
Alike.
You're a douche.
Father, Son, with the Holy Spirit.
Okay.
I choose finessing.
Okay.
Love you all.
So when it's my turn
We're getting the dinner of Christ. Okay, let's start.
I thought this was the tea party, not the Last Supper. We're eating the food of Christ. The end. I thought this was a tea party, not the Last Supper.
Oh, there's one thing I have to say. I love you guys. I love you all. And we're getting of Christ. The end.
The end. I thought it was a prayer, not a story.
Tina's just tried it.
The end.
With 3 fruit
I made this all the food.
Self gang.
You can't be all three.
I'm Tiana Ballerina. Bellarella.
No.
Oh,
Oh,
she's
it's nasty.
awake.
You can't be all three.
But I'm Tiana Ellarella.
No, you can't be all three, sweetie. You're not playing properly. Okay, let me.
Well, you took my other plate away from
A
me.
14-year-old and a 4-year-old.
What?
It's your plate.
But he's nice enough to play with her.
It's your plate.
Talk nicely.
Can we gonna pray again?
We're gonna pray again?
Yeah.
For my key party, I got a good style.
Okay, you pray to me.
I pray to you. No, I pray to God.
Okay.
Not you.
Okay. Let's pray now.
Hello. No, I don't read.
What do you want me to say?
I don't know how to say it.
Dear Lord, thank you for giving us imagination to have this tea party. The end. Or amen.
And
Praise Jesus.
we'll begin
He's like, Mama,
to
Praise the Lord.
and we'll
I'm eating.
pray to the Lord and we'll love you all. The end.
Yay!
It's dinner now.
Dinner?
But
So we're gonna call it a night. Mackenzie's fast asleep for now.
okay.
And I'm just on Pinterest trying to find recipes here. Pinterest. Okay. And Maya is brushing her teeth. What are you doing? What are you doing? Brushing your teeth? Yeah, can you say goodnight? See you tomorrow. Bye. Okay, have a good night, everybody.